So if you want a completely different life and reality by July 2024, then the next few videos are dedicated to you. I'm going to be breaking down the 100-day method. This is what you're going to do for the next 100 days to ensure that you hit those large, audacious goals. Now, I choose the 100-day method over the 12-week year or even 90 days or quarterly because a lot of my clients come to work with me in the middle of the month, and I don't want them to feel like they have to wait till the first of the month to get started. So whenever you're finding this video, this is the first day of the rest of your life. If you're anything like me, you set really big goals that kind of give you butterflies, and that can often push you into a freeze state. So with this embodiment phase, it's going to help you overcome any goal planning anxiety. So let's get started. All right, so with the first day, you're going to look at the 8 dimensions of your life and how you want to feel in each area. Then identify current and internal limitations to you feeling this way. So you're focused on feelings versus goals at first, okay? Then you create a plan to clear your limitations to your feeling-based goals. Then you're going to explore the 8 dimensions of your life again, this time identifying what you want to do and have in each area. Then you'll apply the cosmic goal setting model to ensure your goals are genuinely aligned with your desires. And the descriptions of each day is in the planner. Now this is when we get more technical. You're going to identify any current and internal limitations in the dimensions of your life to your future goals, break down bigger goals into smaller goals, organize these smaller goals into a timeline, and find or create images that represent your achievements. Then you're going to list any negative beliefs that could hinder your progress, develop these opposing statements and affirmations, then create posts with reminders of these affirmations to reinforce positive thinking. And then day 9, this is when you actually add images to your vision board, incorporating your beliefs and your feelings. So every time you look at your vision board, it's an embodied vision board. It's a hypnotic vision board. You're feeling good about your goals. Now, day 10 is when we're going to design your 100-day year, and that's going to be in the next video. See you.